This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the project structure and installing the minimal tools you need. Open VS Code, make index, HTML styles, CSS and script, JS, and enable live server so you can see changes instantly. Add the viewport meta tag for responsive scaling and choose a mobile-first CSS approach because it simplifies overrides later. Once done, save and preview in live server. You'll iterate quickly and avoid build complexity until layout and core responsiveness work in the browser. You now implement the responsive layout using Flexbox for components and CSS Grid for page regions because they adapt without calc-heavy hacks. Start with fluid units like rem, em, %, and VW so typography and spacing scale naturally. Avoid fixed PX widths that break at different viewports. Add min-width media queries to progressively enhance layout at larger screens and reorganize grid template areas for desktop. Make sure to test frequently with the Browser DevTools device toolbar and by resizing the window to validate flow and spacing. You finish by polishing performance and accessibility. Add responsive images with src set and WebP, lazy load below the fold assets, and minify CSS/JS for production. Ensure navigation is keyboard-friendly, focus states visible, and touch targets meet recommended sizes because those details matter on mobile. Deploy a simple build task or use a bundler when ready. If something goes wrong, inspect computed styles and progressively disable suspect CSS rules to isolate the issue quickly. This targeted debugging saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.